and that's all me you. So I'm gonna get this in, get her in a box, bro, and I've a couple of wee gifts I'm gonna stick in for you too, mate.
Fucking hell, man. Oh, what the fuck? What the actual fuck? Wow, bro. Fucking hell, man. This. Wow. Oh, man, I love that. Oh, fucking... No way. No fucking... Are you fucking shitting me, man? Oh, I've got to fucking sit down now. I need a bit of smoke, mate. Oh my God, man. Look at that. The fucking... Oh, that is the nuts. Oh, man. Oh, look at that. That's stunning. Is that the same as that? Yeah. Fucking hell, man. Wow. Oh, there we go. Oh, my word. Yes, mate, you put the blackthorn in. Oh, awesome. Look at the spalting going through it, because it runs all the way through. Bro, you're fucking crazy, man. What's this? It's a bit... I've got no sense of smell, so it's no good me smelling it. These are cool, man. Oh, look at that. Yeah, man. Some pendant, little wood spirit pendants, I think, out of them two. And maybe this one. This is just on another level, mate. The grain in that. Don't know if you can still see. Fucking hell, mate. Hey. I like you. I like a little sticker, man. I'm going to keep that. Be careful. Not to do a rob and cut my fucking fingers. It's normal sort of shit I'd do. Alright, let's see if I can... Let's fucking start this. Oh, this is it. There we go. Oh mate, I feel like a fucking kid on Christmas morning, bro. Let me tell you, man. Oh, this is it, man. Can't fucking believe it. Fuck me. I've got 2 of your carvings, bro. I'm fucking made up. I'm fucking made up. Yeah, I don't do it nicely. I just rip the fucker open. Cool, bro. I fucking love it, mate. That's going in my cabinet. They both are. There you go. Sign it, people. I fucking love him, man. Fuck me, the detail, mate. What fucking birds are you using? It must be tiny. I'm like a fucking dog with 2 dicks, mate. I know, the fucking shadow. That's the phone. I've got it hanging on 2 bits of fucking string. Oh, I'm going on, but I fucking love it, bro. I love it all. I can't thank you enough, man. Fucking hell. Fucking legend, mate. You're a fucking legend. Big love, man. Fucking big love. Cheers, bro.